Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the YouTube app on your Mac operating system. The only requirement for this installation is you need to have the Chrome browser on your Mac operating system. So if you have Chrome browser installed on your Mac operating system, it's very easy to install YouTube app on your Mac operating system. If you don't know how to install Chrome, I have already created a video about how to install Google Chrome on your Mac operating system, so you can watch that video on the same channel. So once you have Chrome installed, just open the Chrome browser and then just navigate to youtube.com website on the Chrome browser. Okay, so I have opened this youtube.com website on the Chrome browser. Now, once you open the YouTube website on the Chrome browser, you will be able to see this install YouTube logo here. Okay, so just click on this logo which says install YouTube and then click on install here. And what it's going to do is it's going to install YouTube on your Mac operating system. Now, how do you know YouTube app is installed? You can see this YouTube is no longer opened in the Chrome browser. Even if I close the Chrome browser, so let me just close this Chrome browser, this YouTube app is opened here. And then I can also see the YouTube icon in my dock. So let me close this YouTube app here, and then I'm going to close this window. And then when I go to the launch pad, I will be able to see the YouTube app here. So you can see in the launchpad, I can search for YouTube, and then here is this YouTube app which I can click, and then YouTube app is going to be opened, right? I can close this once again. I can just search for the YouTube app, and then it's going to be available in the search result. And when I click on the app, it directly opens this app. You can see the YouTube logo also here. So if I want to add this to the dock, I can just right click on the YouTube app logo on the dock, and then I can just click on keep in dock. And when I close this app, now this YouTube logo remains in the dock, and when I just click on the YouTube logo, it opens this app once again. So this YouTube app is now a standalone app on my Mac operating system. Now, if at any point you need to uninstall this app, what you can do, you can just click on the spotlight here and then search for Chrome apps. Okay, search for a folder called Chrome apps, and when you search for this folder and open this folder, you will be able to see the list of all the apps which are installed through Chrome. So what you need to do, just right click on the app. So select the app and then right click on the app, and then in order to uninstall this app, just click on move to bin, and it's going to be uninstalled from your Mac operating system. And then you can also see that in few seconds YouTube logo is gone from the dock. Also, this YouTube logo is gone from my launchpad apps. So if I search for YouTube again, I don't see this app anymore. Okay, so this is how you can install YouTube app on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.